Okay, here is my Commodore PET 2001 with chiclet keyboard. We're going to load a program from the secondary tape drive. The primary tape drive is not working right now, so I'm going to use the secondary tape drive. And we'll start by typing load. And I'm going to load the program called Aliens. And comma 2 for the second tape drive. Press enter, press play on the tape, and hit return. Oh, I didn't have to hit return, it's searching for aliens. Now this is going to take a little while, as the aliens game is about like third or fourth on there. So I'll probably end up fast forwarding through a lot of this. Right now the screen is not bouncing around too much. It does bounce a little bit from time to time. Not usually too bad, but still annoying. And I'll get back to you as soon as that program loads. All right, we're ready to go. I'm going to list the program real quick. It doesn't show the whole program, it only shows a part of it. But that's all right, and we're ready to run. Do you want directions? Cursor 16 Aliens, copyright 1980 by Mike Hamilton. Project Earth protect Earth from invasion. Want directions? No. And get ready. I think it's 4 or 5 or 5 and 6. And the shift key. It's going down pretty fast now. 76 aliens using 90 shots. Want to try again? No, thank you. And there we go. The Commodore PET.